Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan milk at home. Making your own plant-based milk is surprisingly easy and offers a fresh, customizable alternative to store-bought options. You'll save money and avoid unnecessary additives. We'll cover the simple process, essential ingredients, and basic equipment you need to get started today. Get ready to enjoy fresh, wholesome milk made right in your own kitchen. Let's start with homemade almond milk, a popular choice. First, soak 1 cup of raw almonds in water overnight or for at least 8 hours. This softens them for blending. Drain and rinse the almonds, then combine them with 4 cups of fresh filtered water in a high-speed blender. Blend on high for about 1 minute. Finally, strain the liquid through a nut milk bag or fine cheesecloth to separate the pulp, yielding creamy milk. Next, let's make simple oat milk, known for its creamy texture. Combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 4 cups of cold water in your blender. It's crucial to use cold water and blend for only about 30 seconds to prevent the milk from becoming slimy. Overblending releases too much starch. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a clean kitchen towel, avoiding squeezing the pulp too much. This yields smooth, delicious oat milk. Here are some final tips for your homemade vegan milk. For added flavor, consider blending in natural sweeteners like 2 pitted dates, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, or a pinch of vanilla extract. Always store your fresh milk in an airtight container, such as a glass jar, in the refrigerator. It typically stays fresh for about 3 to 5 days. Experiment with different nuts and seeds to find your favorite plant-based milk.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.